Hello guys, welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the JAMB 2020 syllabus for all subjects, alright? The free download, alright? Before we get on to the video, if this is your first time on this channel, DTW Tutorials is an educational channel on YouTube where we support students with free videos on maths and physics. We support in your exams, your JAMB, your NECO, your WAEC, name it, your several exams support you with free videos on maths and physics, and you can see them arranged up here. All right, this is the latest one I just did 2 weeks ago, and you can see your WAEC, you can see your junior WAEC all solved. All right, okay, so you can quickly go to the channel and watch, all right, and watch these videos to help you prep for your forthcoming exams. And also there's a free online Facebook group tutorials where we're going to start on the 1st of February. So if you want to join the group, I'll leave a link in the video description box of this video. All right, so if it's your first time on this channel, please try to click the subscribe button. Subscribing means you support what we're doing. It's just like an appreciation back, okay? These are free videos, educational videos that you could buy out there for what thousands of naira, but definitely free for you from DTW Tutorials. So please click the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and also share this channel with your friends, family, your loved ones. And if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below in the comment section, just down below. As you watch, you scroll down, you can comment, all right? And drop your comment, your questions, a thank you, just any engagement on the channel helps to promote it on YouTube. Okay, all right, so how do you get the JAMB syllabus? Okay. Okay, so how do you get the JAMB 2020 syllabus? All you need to do is go to our blog. Okay, I set up this blog so I can, give you like text materials, PDFs and all. There are several PDF materials there. All right, so you just go to dtwtutorials.com. all right, I'll leave the link to in the video description box. And when you go there, I'm also giving out free PDF of your JAMB Sweet 16 novel. All right, so this is it. Just put in your name, your email, phone number, click send, and the download link will be sent to you for the PDF copy, the summary, and also the 140 questions and answers. All right, you can also do that. So to get the JAMB syllabus, all you need to do is the first it's just what I posted last, and I think I'm going to put it up here so it will be easy for you to access. So just click here. You can also go to downloads. You can just go around the blog. It's quite resourceful. All right, okay, so go here and you see all the syllabus, all the subjects: English, maths, literature, music, Arabic, Islamic studies, everything. Just click download. Easy. No long story. Okay, just click and download your syllabus to prep you to navigate, to know what topics you need to cover and all. Okay, so but your exam starts in March, so just make sure by the end of January, if you're preparing for JAMB, you should have been I've done a video like since last year 2019 around July. You should have been reading before then, so you should have finished at least even January, beginning of January. I think what you're supposed to be focusing on is just your past questions. Okay, just solving past questions on several or as in topics and all your subjects. All right, so right now you should actually be focusing more of, I don't know how early you started reading, but if you started late, then it means there's no sleep for you. Okay, but if you started early, which is very good, and that's an advantage, just start solving past questions. All right, so and the syllabus would help you, will guide you. All right, so that's how you get the JAMB 2020 syllabus. Please share this. You can share this on WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, to your friends, your family, your loved ones. All right, so that's what we have for today, and I'm going to leave you with this, that Jesus Christ is coming soon. For he is the way, he is the truth, he is the life. He's the one who will lead you to heaven at last, and life everlasting, the good life. Okay, he's the one who will give you that joy, that peace that you are looking for. Everything is in Jesus and is waiting for you today. Okay, give your life to Christ, for he is coming back soon. Okay, so thank you for staying tuned to DTW Tutorials. You are destined to win. All right, see you in our next video.